All right, Amit, I think we'll leave it at that. But let's quickly also move on to JioFin, Jio Financial Services. Remember, offshoot of Reliance. Reliance has capitalized JFS with over 1,20,000 crore rupees to create one of the world's largest and highest capitalized financial service platform since its very inception. Now, JFS's current market cap stands at 1.42 lakh crore. It's the third largest NBFC after Bajaj Finance and its holding company Bajaj Finserv. JFS has partnered with globally renowned Blackrock to enter the asset management industry. All eyes will of course be on its plans to enter the lending segment. Analysts believe that JFS will go on and go very big on merchant and customer lending thanks to its parent company's wide reach in Kirana stores. As of June end, Reliance Industries had a total store count of 18,446 with registered customers over 26 crore. JioFin, what will the results mean? I mean, let's accept we don't even know what the business model is. I am surprised on what is going to come out of those results, but I think it's the management commentary that everybody will be keenly eyeing.
You're absolutely right, Shweta. Management commentary will be key this quarter because, as I was saying earlier, we don't have much clarity on what the business model is going to be like for JFS. We know that it's going to enter the AMC business. We know that it's planning to enter the insurance business. There are also talks that it may enter the merchant and customer lending business, given its given RAL's wide reach in Kirana stores. But ultimately, what the revenue mix is going to be like, who will be the main contributors to the entire revenue of JFS will be keenly eyed. I mean, if we have Amit, what are your broader expectations from JFS and what will you be eyeing from the Q2 results of the NBFC?
So I think they're very new to the business. I think they have probably less than 30 employees which are currently working. So the expectation from Jio Financial is not huge from a earnings point of view. Uh, uh, Obviously, the commentary can be looked at and how they are scaling up. But whatever the public announcements they have already made on the stock exchange, I think the things are quite slow. See, we have to look at the history of Reliance and how the Reliance have done the things. In many of the businesses, they have been able to scale it up, but not necessarily profitably. They have been able to scale it up. So I think that's the challenge. Secondly, the kind of businesses which they are getting into, whether it is lending business or insurance or AMCs, a lot of these businesses, there are huge amount of regulatory issues and entry barriers because of various things.
It's
And
going
in
to be a
financials,
cakewalk for Reliance. Come to think of it, Amit, we're talking
no,
about
I don't
Reliance
think
here.
it will be a. No, I don't think it will be a cakewalk. In financial, there are already well-established, large-size financial institutions across the banking and the NBFC universe, and so even some of the fintechs are now
Okay.
also there, which are reasonably well-established and large enough. So I think the expectation here is that
So,
they're not going to
will
get a free run.
regulatory clearance will be a challenge, or will market domination will be a challenge, or
So
acquiring new
regulatory
customers?
clearance will take time.
Okay.
The AMC license is not expected to come over the next 9 to 12 months. So how can we price in anything related to asset management at this point of time? Insurance license is not going to come in the next 1 year. So the only thing which they are doing currently is the lending business, which they are doing it through the Reliance stores. So I think the market in general is running ahead of it. The expectation why a few of the mutual funds have invested is that they are saying that once Jio Financial start growing, then the initial run up in the growth will be very fast, and that's why the price movement in stock might happen. But at current valuation at 230, 240, I think a lot of that is already in the price. So we could see a long time sort of time and price correction and stock not really doing anything for a long period of time.
All
Having a
right.
sustainable and a profitable business, I think we are still 2 years away in Geo Financial.
Okay. 2 years' time is what Amit is giving it.